Hola, profesores. David el Profe here, and I am pleased to welcome you to the video preview of Español Intermedio 1, Lección 6. This ready-to-teach PowerPoint lesson is designed for Spanish teachers working with adult intermediate learners who want to build real conversational fluency without spending hours preparing materials. Lección 6 focuses on high-frequency past tense usage, por versus para, and guided conversation topics that help students move from controlled practice into natural speaking. Everything is organized so you can open the slides and teach. No additional planning is required. So what's included? You've got a complete step-by-step PowerPoint presentation that I'm going to walk you through. It includes structured review, practice, and conversation prompts. Lots of visual supports to keep adult learners engaged, and this is designed for 60 to 90-minute long classes. So a quick little review of the grammar. We're covering the pretérito in this, using guided questions and real-life scenarios. We're going to include an extensive por versus para practice with visuals and discussion prompts, and meaning-focused comparisons to help students choose the correct form naturally. There's lots of conversation-based practice, as you can see here. Guided discussion prompts based on past experiences, travel and daily activities, reasons versus results, specifically related to por versus para. And then there are also high engagement conversation topics like restaurants, pets, talking about dogs and cats, and everyday decision making. At the end, there is also an authentic listening activity with a Spanish TV commercial by Sprite from Argentina that's interesting, and it encourages interpretation, opinion sharing, and cultural insight. So teachers just love these lessons because there is no prep work required. All you have to do is turn your computer on and follow the slides. These are built specifically for adult learners. These presentations promote speaking confidence, not memorization. There is a clear progression from grammar and there's a clear progression from grammar to conversation, and this works very well for group classes or private lessons. This is specifically for adult education Spanish teachers working with adults, teachers that are working in conversation-based programs, continuing education or private instruction, and teachers who want structure without rigidity. This, of course, goes very well with our student workbook that is available on Amazon. So if you're using these presentations, you definitely want to make sure to get the student workbook that is available on Amazon. That is also called Let's Keep Talking Español Intermedio 1. Okay, thanks. I hope you enjoy.